Hey, Puffin Daddy. Vladimir Grouper must be stopped, and I need an Air Force. Can you help me?
Well, I know just who to ask. I'll be right back.
Okay, cool. I'll just be waiting here then.
Oh, my leg. Baltimore Ray, where are you? We need to talk. I need your help. Quick. Caw! 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 Ah, there he is. Baltimore Raven in the feathers, my man. Hey, look, I need your help in taking out Vladimir Grouper. We need an Air Force. What can you do to help?
Well, I can assure you this aggression against the Blue Crane will not stand. And I have a few friends up north and down south who'd love to help.
Pete, good news. Baltimore Ray's coming. He's sending his whole murder. And guess what else? The Philadelphia Eagles and the Atlanta Falcons.